Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the new Roblox Adopt Me Ibex Pet. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the shape of the head. Let's start with drawing a curve over, and then bringing it down like this. Now from the top, let's curve it over to the right and back down. Now from the left side, let's curve it down and in like this. Now let's close off the head with a curve connecting the two sides. Next, let's add the nose on the left side. So on the left, let's draw a line over, extending out past the head. Now let's curve it down and back up. And then one more larger curve up to close it off. Next, let's color the nose in black. Next, let's add the eyes. Inside to the right of the nose, let's draw a curve up and then over to the right. Then from the end, let's draw an angle down and then another back out. And then one more down at the end. Now let's add one more curve at the bottom to close it off. Next, inside, let's draw a large circle for the eye. And then let's color the eye in black. Next, let's draw the left eye on the side of the head. Let's start with a small curve up here, and then a semicircle curve down. And color this eye in black as well. Next, above the eye, let's add one more curve here. Next, let's add the ear. Let's start on the top right of the head, and we're going to draw a small curve up. And then a curve out to the right. Now from the end, let's curve it back in to the head like this. Next, let's erase any of the headlines inside the ear. Now from the bottom line, let's draw another curve up. And then let's curve it to the end of the ear. And lastly, for the ear, let's draw two curves inside like this. And that's it for the ear. Let's draw the horns next. To the left of the ear and above the eye, let's draw a curve here. Now from the right side, let's curve it up above the head and then back down next to the ear. And now let's do the same thing for the top side. Now let's close off the end with a curve. Next, let's erase the headline inside the horn. Now we're going to draw the other horn to the left. Let's start by drawing a curve up, and then step in and a curve down. Now let's move down to the left, and we're going to draw the other side with a curve up. Now let's continue this line by curving it over, and then again back down. Lastly, for the horns, let's draw the bumps across the top. Let's start on the right horn and we're going to draw rounded square shapes on top of the horn like this. Next, let's erase any of the lines inside. And let's do the same thing on the other horn. And lastly, for the head, let's add the goatee. Underneath the left side of the face, let's draw a point down. And then a larger one. And then one more small one on the right. And that's it for the head. Let's draw the body next. Let's move over to the right of the goatee. We're going to leave a gap and draw a curve down like this. Now continue this line by curving it over to the right and up. Now let's move over to the right side of the head and we're going to draw a curve over like this to close off the body. Next, let's draw the pattern inside the body. Let's start on the left side and we're going to draw a zigzag line like this. Next, another angle down to the right and back up. Now another smaller one down, and then a large point to close it off. Next, let's add the tail at the back right. Let's start with an S curve down like this, and then curve it back in. And then add a V shape inside at the bottom. And that's it for the body. Next, let's add the feet. Underneath the body on the left, let's draw a curve up and back down. Now let's close off the bottom with another curve. Now let's draw another foot in the same way to the right but a little bit lower. And now a third one over to the right here. And for the last foot, let's draw it behind the body. So let's start with two curves down here. And then a curve at the bottom to close it off. And that's it for this cute ibex. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!